see some objects. It is solid. Two ends are circular, and this portion is rectangular, which is folded like a circular mode. Similarly, this figure, two ends are circular, and in between it is a rectangular figure which is folded to make this circular mode. See this bottle, two ends are circular, these are parallel, in between portion in a circular mode. See this coffee cup, one end is open, bottom end is closed, and this portion in a circular mode. How a cylinder is formed? When we take a rectangular sheet, it is length and it is breadth. When we fold it, this sheet along its length, how to fold? This type. It makes a hollow cylinder. Two ends are circular, this circle. It is a hollow cylinder. Both ends are open. No end is closed. So it is a cylinder. In your around, you see many objects like a cylinder, oil drums, you see tanks, pillars, then a solid which has two ends circular and one in between, which is curved portion in a circular mode. Then a cylinder having, it is a rectangular sheet, when we fold it, this portion, suppose it is L and it is B, when we fold it, this portion L in a circular mode, this mode, L, it is L, and it is B, and top length will fold in this way. It is also L. These ends are congruent and parallel to each other. These are called the bases of the cylinder, and the distance between two centers of these bases is called height, or this is called axis of cylinder. AA dash is the axis of the cylinder. It is the axis and it is the height also. It is rectangular sheet. When we fold it, this like circular, it is L, it is also L, and it is H. Height, what is the height? B. It is the height and it is the length. And what is this L? when we find out area of this rectangular sheet, area of rectangular sheet is length multiplied by breadth, in which what is L? It is the circumference of the base. And what is the base? Base is circle. And what is the circumference of the circle? Which is 2 pi r. It is the circumference of the base, and base is circle. And what is the circumference of circle? When we find out circumference of circle, which is 2 pi r. When we find out its surface area, it means curved surface area, because both ends are hollow, no end is closed, so it is curved surface area. Curved surface area of cylinder is same, L multiplied by B. What is L? L is 2 pi r. And what is the B? B is the H. So it is the formula for curved surface area of a cylinder. Same, again understand this. It is the rectangular sheet. Length is L, breadth is B. When I fold this space in front of you, it make a hollow cylinder. No end is closed. This is L. It is also L, and it is B. This B. Okay. Now, what is the area of rectangular sheet? L multiplied. Because this will be folded of this type, then area will be same. And what is the L in this figure? Cylindrical figure. Circumference of the base. And what type of base is? Circular. And what is the circumference of circle? Is 2 pi r. When we find out curved surface area, because the both ends are open, then it is the curved surface area. Curved surface area of cylinder is L multiplied by B. What is L? Circumference. Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. And what is B? B is the height, because it is the distance between two bases. The distance between two bases is called height of cylinder, which is in rectangular sheet is breadth of the rectangular sheet. Then the formula is 2 pi rn. It is the formula for curved surface area of cylinder. Next is total surface area of cylinder. CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH. And what is the total surface area of cylinder? Net of cylinder is, upper portion is circle, net. You know about the net. Net of cylinder upper circular, in between rectangle, and bottom portion is also circular. It is the net of cylinder. Both this upper, it is the rectangular, in between, and it is the bottom cylinder. Base of cylinder, and bottom portion is of also circular type. Top portion is also circular type, and in between it is a rectangle. In curved surface area, when these portion hollow, both are open, we find out the curved surface area. When one end is closed, then we find curved surface area plus area of two closed ends. When the two, this is closed and it is also closed, this is closed, it is also closed, not hollow, then we find total surface area of cylinder. When one end is open, no closed, then we will find required area curved surface area plus area of one closed end, this type. When one is open and one is closed, then we will find curved surface area, in between area plus area of one closed end only. Total surface area of cylinder is curved surface area plus area of two closed ends. What is the curved surface area? 2 pi RH plus what is the area of one circle? Pi r square. Two circles, 2 pi r square. Here are two terms. 2 pi r is common. H plus r. It is the formula for total surface area. I hope these derivations of formulas curved surface area and total surface area of cylinder will be clear to you. Thank you.